In this guide, you'll learn how to add a border to your photo on your iPhone using the built-in Photos app. First, launch your Photos app and select the photo you want to edit. Now click on these bars given at the bottom of the picture. Then click on this markup icon. Now go ahead and click on this plus option. This will open a variety of options and you should select Add a Shape. Choose the square shape which will appear on your photo. Now adjust the size of the square to fit around the image, creating a border. Then click on this color option and set it to no fill. Then click on the stick icon. This is the border color. From these options you can select any of it. I'm gonna select blue. Also you are able to increase the thickness of the border. Once you are done, move the square around to align it perfectly with the edges of the photo. When everything is in place, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save your changes, and just like that, you have successfully added a border to your photo on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.